In this video, I want to take you through 3D visualization of digital elevation model in ArcGIS using ArcScene. We are going to prepare everything in ArcGIS and we will visualize it in ArcScene. So let's get started. Open your ArcMap, and the first thing is to bring in the digital elevation model. So I will click on Add Data. I want to use this digital elevation model. Click on it and click Add. Yes, this is my digital elevation model. Now for you to be able to visualize this digital elevation model in 3D, to start, you have to confirm the coordinate reference system of this very data. The coordinate reference system we are going to work with is projected coordinate system. So to verify, right click the layer and click on properties. When it opens, come to source, scroll down, and here you can see the coordinate system is geographic coordinate system, which means we need to project this digital elevation model. So to project the digital elevation model, just come to this symbol called search. Then here, search for project raster. Click on search. Here is project raster under data management tool. So click on it. So under input raster, click on the drop down and input your raster. Then output raster, click here and navigate to your folder where you want to save it. So let's just save it as DEM project. Then click on save. Here, output coordinate system. Click here to select your coordinate system. So I will choose from my favorite, which is UTM zone 32. This data actually belongs to UTM zone 32 north. So I'll select this and click on OK. You can see that it has been captured. Then I'll click on OK. It will run and project this raster. Yes, the projection is done. I can close this search page. Now to verify, right click and click on properties. Then come under source, scroll down to coordinate reference system. Here you can see that it has been projected. So after you are done with that, the next thing to do is to create triangulated irregular network called TIN from this digital elevation model. So to do that, click on Arc Toolbox. Come to 3D Analysis Tools. Click to expand it. Then come to Conversion. Here, come to From Raster. Click on it, and here you will see Raster to TIN. Double click it. It will open this page. Then our input raster will be our projected digital elevation model. Then our output, click here to navigate to your folder. Let's call it TIN. Then click on save. Then the level of tolerance, you can leave it at default or you can modify it. Then click on OK. So this will run and create TIN, which is triangulated irregular network, and it takes time depending on the size of your digital elevation model. Yes, it has created it. I can close this Arc Toolbox page. You can see my TIN. Now from here, come to this empty space, right click and enable 3D Analyst. When I do that, the 3D Analyst will be enabled here. So from here, I'll be able to launch ArcScene, and this is the symbol. So click on this symbol to launch ArcScene. Yes, the ArcScene is launched. Then click on OK to open a black scene. So once you launch ArcScene like this, you have to bring in that TIN you created from your digital elevation model to be able to visualize it. So click on Add Data. Navigate to your folder where you save that TIN, and here is it. Then select it and click on Add. When you add it, here is it. And here you can pick this navigate tool to be able to navigate it. Now as it is, if I zoom in, you may not really appreciate it until we adjust the base height so that we can appreciate the 3D visualization. So to do that, come to your TIN, right click and click on Properties. When it opens, come to Base Height here. Then come to this costume. Here you can customize it. By default is 1. So let's change it to 10 for example. Click on Apply. You can see it. Then click on OK. So you can see how it looks like. This is beautiful. Wow. You can see the 3D visualization of our digital elevation model. You can zoom in and you can zoom out. You can see how it looks like. And of course, you can also adjust the base height. So let's change the base height. For example, let me come back to that properties. Let me change the base height to 15 and click on OK. Yes, you can see the effects. You can zoom in to visualize the digital elevation model in 3 dimension. You can see it. So in a nutshell, this is a way of visualizing your digital elevation model in 3D in ArcScene. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.